First of all, you need G Suite for educational accounts. There are many benefits with the apps for education account, including customized Gmail accounts. For school, you can get shared drive, calendar, more storage space, and no advertising. Your student can access Google Apps safely and securely without advertisements. And the key advantages is accessing Google Classroom. You can create one from edu.google.com and click this get started for free. And also you can check out the qualification for the G Suite for education account. Your institution should be a K-12 school or higher education institution. These are the qualifications. G Suite for education is free, includes classroom, and you can get unlimited Google Drive storage space, as well as you can get unlimited Google Wallet storage space. And the Google G Suite for education is available worldwide, and you can check out other pricing plans also. In the basic plan, you can get business Gmail account and 30 GB cloud storage space in Google Drive. Also, you can get 24/7 standard support, admin security, and administrative controls. In the business plan, additionally, you can get Google Wallet storage. Okay. Thank you for watching. I will see you the next lesson.